G'day guys, how are you? It's Matt here again, the Kiwi Culchie coming to you from Skibbereen in West Cork. Today we're going to do an eggs Benedict, okay? And we're going to use a local West Cork product called the Baltimore bacon. It's a product that I really like, but I love my eggs Bene. They happen all over the world, and I'm really going to show you how to make a really easy Hollandaise sauce. So enjoy. Remember to subscribe, and under this video you'll be able to get a description of the recipe, but it will take you to the website through the link to the Skibbereen Food Company. See you soon, guys. Just a tip here guys, right? The Hollandaise, it's the heat of the butter and the movement of the liquidizing that cooks the eggs and thickens the sauce to make its Hollandaise. And remember, you can add more lemon, you can take more lemon out. It's supposed to be a lemony taste that goes over the eggs. See you soon. there you go, my famous eggs Bene. I hope you enjoy it, okay? Just remember the hollandaise, if you have any left over, based on the recipe, you can use it over salmon, chicken, on your steaks. It's really versatile sauce, okay? So please subscribe, go to the description underneath this video, and it'll take you to my company, the Skibbereen Food Company's website, and you'll be able to download, or you'll be able to print the recipe and have that for life. See you soon, guys. Have a great week. See you soon. Thanks, guys. Bye.